किसी ने ट्राई किया था उसका फाइंड आउट करने का? Has anybody tried out? Nobody has tried.
ट्राई किया था।
So what was the outcome that you got? Can you just tell me the candidate keys that you got? What was the candidate key in it? Anybody? Can anybody tell me what was the candidate key? Just candidate key, no super key, nothing. What was the candidate key?
ACD,
What was it?
ACD,
ACD, A and AC.
A,
and B.
A, C, D. और कौन सा बोला आपने?
AC,
A, C. ये कैंडिडेट की कैसे हो सकता है? हाउ इट कैन बी कैंडिडेट की? कैंडिडेट की में तो सिर्फ
बी आया सिर्फ।
ए ही हो
B,
सकता है या
Sir, B.
B, AC and ACD.
ओनली बी।
ओनली
सर
बी।
सी आएगा ही।
ओनली डी आर।
कैंडिडेट की बी है।
कैंडिडेट की इज ओनली बी।
Yes.
ओके, सो उसके अलावा और कोई रिपीटेशन? ए तो होगा नहीं ना, क्योंकि ए में तो रिपीटेशन है ना।
यस सर।
Yeah, so candidate key is only B, so it will be the primary key and it will be the there will be no alternate keys, right? Everybody got that answer? Yes, someone else got
Yes.
some other answer. Okay, fine. So yeah, I think it will be correct. I did not check. I did not. That was a random question that I just came up with. So yeah, I have to go back and see in the video. Okay, what was it? I'll confirm it by the next lecture. Okay. So I think you have got B as the outcome. We'll just check it and we'll inform you later. Fine. So आज जो हम discuss करेंगे, the lecture that we'll be discussing in today's will be the other keys. So till now we have seen what is a super key. Till now we have seen what is a candidate key. So we have looked into कि candidate key में से कोई एक key जो रहेगा that is called as a primary key. So we have to discuss or we have to identify what is a primary key. Okay, so there are some criteria that you need to know. There are some rules and regulations that you should know in defining a primary key. Okay, so yeah. So first, just write down the definition of a primary key. What is a primary key? So primary key is a key. Primary key is a key which is a set of single attribute. Primary key is a key which is a set of single attribute or group of attribute, which is a set of single attribute or group of attribute, which helps in uniquely identifying each tuple, which helps in uniquely identifying each tuple, which helps in uniquely identifying each tuple in a relation, which helps in uniquely identifying each tuple in a relationship. Okay, so till now it is just similar as some other keys. अभी तक कुछ उसमें difference नहीं है. It is just the definition is as similar as super key. The definition is as similar as candidate key. There is no something uniqueness in it. So we'll just write down the next point and it will make this key as a unique key. Okay. So the next point is a primary key cannot hold null values. Just write down that point. A primary key cannot hold null values. So if there is a roll number, if a roll number is considered as a primary key, कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट नहीं होना चाहिए जिसके पास रोल नंबर ही ना हो. Then primary key cannot be considered as a primary key. Then roll number cannot be considered as a primary key. Okay, so every entity must have the value for the primary key. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको आप नल रख के उसको खाली छोड़ दोगे और आप आगे बढ़ जाओगे. Primary key must have some values in it. Is it clear? Is this point clear? Yeah, so if by chance you make contact number as the primary key, और हो सकता है किसी के पास contact number ही ना हो, so it is not allowed. So you should choose only that key that every entity must have. Okay, so you have to make sure कि वो primary key वही choose आप करो जो कि कोई हर एक entity के पास है. Is it clear? Is this point clear? Yeah, so the next point, a primary key cannot hold a primary key is always a primary key is always one and only one. A primary key is always one and only one, and generally defined by a primary key is one and only one, and generally defined by the database administrator, or in short, you can write down DBA. Primary key is one and only one, and generally defined by database administrator. Okay, so every relation have one and only one primary key, that is a fixed, you cannot change it. Okay, so आपने एक decide कर लिया यही key है और वो एक ही key होगी, you cannot have multiple primary keys, and this decision is generally taken by the database administrator. Okay, the last point in primary key, every value in primary key, must be unique and should not be duplicate. Every value in primary key must be unique and should not be duplicate. Example, the roll number 5 का एक ही entity होना चाहिए, एक ही row होना चाहिए. You cannot have multiple rows into 5 करके दो roll number नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so nothing new in it. ये point तो आपको वैसे ही पता है कि वो तभी होगा जब वो हर एक value उसकी unique ही होगी. But yeah, just make sure कि write down that point over there, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इस point पे there is a key which is called as a foreign key. वहाँ पे ये और ये generally the question comes for 5 marks. Generally इस key के ऊपर differentiate between primary key and foreign key. So उस case में ये वाला point वहाँ पे एक mention करना पड़ता है. Primary key में duplication is not at all allowed, whereas foreign key में there is a duplication. So वो क्या है वो हम discuss करेंगे आगे, लेकिन ये point वहाँ पे बनता है, इसके लिए यहाँ पे लिखाया गया है. Is it clear? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So first we have looked into super key. सबसे पहले हमने super key देखा. So super key जो है आपका, that is like it consists of multiple keys. It consists of many keys basically जो uniquely identify करता है आपके table को. So अगर मैं उसको एक Venn diagram बनाऊं, so universal में you can have the attributes or the data as a universal set. In that data, you can have a super key, some of the columns as a super key. Then within super key, can I define my candidate key? Within super key, can I have the candidate key? Can I draw this diagram? Super key is the overall set. Candidate key is the subset of super key. Can I define like that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. And within candidate key, can I define my primary key?
Yes.
Yeah. So primary key is again a subset of candidate key, and whatever is left behind or whatever is disjoint between them, then it can be called as alternate key. So जो बच जाएगा, which is outside the primary key, that will be called as an alternate key. Okay. So this is roughly a Venn diagram that you can draw out of the keys that we have discussed. Okay. So yeah, super key हमने पढ़ लिया. Candidate key, super key is nothing but it is a collection of attribute or a single attribute which uniquely identifies each tuple. Candidate super key हमने define कर लिया था. Candidate key क्या है? It is a minimal of super key, right? Yeah, it is. Candidate key is nothing but it is a key which is whose proper subset is not a super key. So that we have checked the definition. एक definition हमने पढ़ा था, candidate key is a minimal of super keys. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर जैसे there is a roll number student के अंदर, okay, student has a name in it, student has address in it. Okay, so ये कुछ एक table है. उस table के अंदर let's say अगर मैं मेरा roll number जो है वो uniquely identify करता है, okay, so roll number will become as a super key. So roll number and name will also uniquely identify. Roll number and name will also uniquely identify. अगर roll number uniquely identify कर रहा है तो roll number और name का combination will also uniquely identify each tuple होगा. So will both these case will be considered as a super key? क्या दोनों super key consider होगा या सिर्फ roll number ही super key होगा?
दोनों.
दोनों super key होगा, right? So अगर आप देखोगे अगर roll number से मेरा काम हो जाता है, so why to take name in it? So in this, out of this, which will be my candidate key? Out of this, which will be my candidate key? The first one or the second one, or both?
First one.
फर्स्ट वन विल बी माय कैंडिडेट की. सो अगर आप फर्स्ट वाले को और सेकंड वाले को देखोगे, सो जो फर्स्ट वाला है इट इज होल्डिंग ओनली वन एट्रीब्यूट, सो व्हिच इज मिनिमल ऑफ अ सुपर की. सो दैट इज व्हाई द टर्म इज कॉल्ड एज अ मिनिमल. ओके, सो जो कम से कम होगा उस की के अंदर से जो सबसे छोटा होगा, which will help in identifying each rows, so that key will be considered as a candidate key. So ये वाला सेकंड जो पॉइंट हमने लिखा था कि कैंडिडेट की इज अ मिनिमल ऑफ अ सुपर की, सो ये पॉइंट वहां पे दर्शाता है आपको. ओके, इस एग्जांपल से समझ में आएगा आपको कि वी हैव अ रोल नंबर आल्सो एज अ सुपर की, वी हैव गॉट अ रोल नंबर एंड नेम, so out of that we'll be choosing only that key which is a minimal. Okay, so the minimal is out of that is the roll number, we don't require name. Okay, because roll number is alone self sufficient for identifying each row. So that we have covered as a candidate key. प्राइमरी की का डेफिनेशन आज हमने देख लिया कि प्राइमरी की क्या होता है. ये जो है वो भी की है जो हर एक कपल को यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई करता है. उसके बाद सेकंड पॉइंट जो हमने देखा प्राइमरी की के अंदर कि उसके अंदर नल वैल्यूज नहीं हो सकती. ओके, सो रोल नंबर है तो रोल नंबर का सब सारे स्टूडेंट के पास रोल नंबर होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि कोई स्टूडेंट के पास रोल नंबर ना हो. ओके, उसके बाद there is only one and single primary key there in each table. ये that is a fixed rule. Okay, एक और पॉइंट लिख दो प्राइमरी की के अंदर. In primary key write down another point. Out of all the candidate key which is available, out of all the candidate key which is available, out of all the candidate key, out of all the candidate key which is available, anyone can be chosen as the primary key. Anyone can be chosen as the primary key. Out of all the candidate key available, only one can be chosen as the primary key for a relation. For a relation. So if we write relation, what is the meaning of relation over there? Relation का मतलब alternatively it is called as
टेबल.
टेबल. सो कोई भी टेबल का अगर मल्टीपल कैंडिडेट की है या 3 या 4 या 5 कैंडिडेट की है, उसमें से कोई भी एक आप प्राइमरी की चूज कर सकते हो and rest of all will become the alternate key. Okay, so just write down the next point, the next key. So this is key number, super key was the first one, second was the candidate key, third was the primary key. Write down key number 4, key number 4 as the alternate key. Alternate key or the secondary key. Okay, so write down key number 4 as alternate key and secondary key. So yeah, we have just written the definition, you can write down it again. Candidate key, out of all the multiple candidate key that is available, one can be selected as a primary key and the rest of all are considered as a candidate key. So just write down that point. Out of all candidate key available, one key is selected as a primary key and the rest of all keys can be considered as a alternate or secondary key. Okay, rest whatever is the point in the candidate key that can be included. So what are the secondary key? Again, this key helps in uniquely identify each tuple. ये भी uniquely identify करता है. लेकिन the difference between primary key and secondary key is that primary key is the main key because it has been announced as a winner out of all the candidates, and rest all the candidate key or the rest candidate key which is left behind, those left behind will be classified as the secondary key. Nothing more to be discussed in this point. Is it clear? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
या सो अगर ये टेबल के अंदर लेट्स से मेरा रोल नंबर ही यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है और नेम एंड या रोल नंबर एंड नेम जो है नहीं हाँ रोल नंबर यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है मेरे टेबल को, और नेम एंड एड्रेस के कॉम्बिनेशन इज आइडेंटिफाइंग एज अ let's say each tuple. Okay, so I'll be having two candidate key in this table. Okay, for this table I'll be having two candidate key. One is called as a roll number and other as name and address. The combination of name and address is helping in uniquely identifying my each tuple. So ये दो candidate की select किया मैंने. Okay, I've selected these two candidate key. Out of this, let's make this as a primary key. So roll number, name and address will become what? Secondary key, SK or AK. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please write down as an example over there. So for the following table, which is roll number, name and address table, let's assume roll number and name, comma address is considered as a candidate key. Out of that, you can select any of the key as the primary key. The other key will automatically become the super key. Sorry, secondary key. Done?
सर और एक बार बोलो ना.
Okay. So in the following table, just draw this table. In the following table, which consists of roll number, name, and address as the attribute, we can have roll number and name, comma address as the two keys. We can have roll number, name, comma address as the candidate key. We can have roll number and name, comma address as the candidate key. Out of which anyone can be selected as primary key. Out of which anyone can be selected as primary key. Full stop. The one which is not selected as the primary key, will be considered as the secondary key or the alternate key. The one which is not selected as the primary key will be considered as secondary key or alternate key. So example that you can give over here, roll number is selected as a primary key, thus name and address will become secondary key. और अगर आप चाहो तो name and address को आप primary key बना दोगे, so in that case roll number will become a secondary key. So it is your choice who you want to make as a roll number, as a primary key. So जो भी आप चूज करोगे, either roll number भी हो सकता है primary key, name and address भी हो सकता है. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि roll number को ही आपको primary key बनाना है. लेकिन just make sure कि जब भी आप primary key बनाओगे, उसके अंदर null values ना हो. Okay, so just make sure to remember that point. Is it clear? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next we have the composite key. Okay, so composite key का मतलब क्या है? Composite का मतलब it is like a group, so which is made up of multiple things. So that is called as a composite. Okay, so composite key क्या होता है? अगर आपकी primary key, if your primary key is made up of more than one attribute, more than one property or more than one column, then it will be called as the composite key. So for example, अगर let's say name and address would have become my primary key, अगर मैंने name and address को primary key बनाया होता, so in that case it would have more than one entity. So इसके अंदर name more than one attribute. So इसके अंदर name attribute भी है और address attribute भी है. उसके combination से वो key बना है. So that key can also be referred as a composite key. Is it clear? So what is a composite key? If a primary key, just write down the definition first. What is a composite key? If a primary key is made up of, more than one attribute, if a primary key is made up of more than one attribute, then it can also be referred as composite key. Okay, so example, let's say in this particular table we have name and address as the primary key. Okay, name or address आप primary key बना देते हो. Okay, so because this primary key has multiple attributes, दो attribute है, एक से ज़्यादा है, then we can also refer it as a composite. इसको हम composite key भी refer कर सकते हैं. अगर हमने roll number लिया होता, roll number cannot become a composite key. Okay, so roll number will be a generally it is considered as a primary key only, but यहाँ पे हम composite key बोल सकते हैं या primary key बोल सकते हैं अगर उसके अंदर एक से ज़्यादा attribute होंगे. Is the point clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So generally बहुत rarely use होता है this composite key and all. जो majorly use होता है that is super key, candidate key, primary key बस. उसके अलावा बाकी rest is and foreign key of course जो आगे पढ़ेंगे. These are composite key and alternate key. These are just for the sake of definition we have made it up. But ज़्यादातर जो usage है वो super key, candidate key, primary key and foreign key इनका ही usage है. Okay. So alternate key, secondary key जो बच गया that is considered as the alternate key. Composite key का मतलब अगर एक primary key है उसके अंदर multiple attribute defined है, in that case it will be called as also referred as a composite key. अगर नहीं है तो we'll just assume as a primary key only. So as simple as that. Nothing much to be declared in it or nothing much to be defined या कुछ ऐसी कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है. It is just simple. उसके definition पे अगर आप एक बार read कर लोगे आपको automatically वो चीज समझ में आ जाएगी. Is the point clear? Anybody has any doubt?
Yes, sir.
किसी को कोई doubt है अभी तक?
No, sir.
Yeah, so we'll go to the last key, which is called as the foreign key. Okay, very important. Okay, so what is a foreign key? Foreign key is nothing but जैसे let's assume मेरा एक table है. Okay, yeah, I'll be having a table by the name of book. Okay, मेरे पास एक book का एक table है. Okay, and then I'll be having a table by a name of publisher. Okay, so एक और table बना देता हूँ जिसका नाम है publisher. Basically ये concept पढ़ने के बाद after getting into all this key, we have to convert a ER diagram into relational model. Okay, so आगे का जो part है आपका subject का इस particular मॉड्यूल का is that जो हमने ER diagram बनाया था उसको हम relational model में convert करेंगे. Okay, so using these all keys it will be helpful for understanding that. Okay, so इसके लिए ये सारे keys पढ़े जा रहे हैं. Yeah, so book will have an ISBN. Okay, so what is ISBN? It is the unique number for every book that we have. So ISBN, can it be considered as a unique key for book? Can I make it as a primary key for it? Can I make it?
Yes.
Yeah, because it is unique for every book. So ISBN I'm making as the primary key. Then we can have title in it. Okay, book has a title. Book has a price also. Okay. Book has pages also. Okay. Then publisher के पास क्या क्या होता है? What does a publisher have? We can make a publisher ID. Okay. Publisher means the publishing house that we are talking about. Okay. My mistake. Yeah. So publisher means the publisher house that we have. So it can be like Tata McGraw-Hill. So that is a publisher. Okay. So it can be TechMax publication, etc. So these are the publications that we have. So they will be having some publication ID. Then there will be some publication name. Okay. Then there can be some address. जैसे कि TechMax is generally printed. I think it is printed in Matunga. So there might be the different address for the different publisher house. Okay. So इस particular table के लिए for book we have ISBN as the primary key. For publisher, what can be the primary key for publisher?
ID, publisher
So,
ID.
yeah, publishing ID can be considered as the primary key. So in order to make a relation, जैसे कि a book is published by publisher, right? So हम book और publisher के बीच में एक relation बना सकते हैं ना हम लोग basically. Can we make the relation out of it? ER diagram पे हम लोग generally एक relation बनाते हैं ना. A book is published by publisher, ऐसा कुछ बनाते थे हम लोग.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in order to relate one table from another, we'll be using a foreign key. So हम क्या करेंगे? इस table के अंदर we'll be importing or we'll be will be taking one of the attribute of other table in order to relate in between them. So हम इसमें से क्या करेंगे, दूसरे टेबल का एक एट्रीब्यूट हम ले लेंगे, और ये एट्रीब्यूट कौन सा होगा, विच इज अ प्राइमरी की. जनरली हम प्राइमरी की को ही प्रीफर करेंगे क्योंकि वो यूनिकली सारे के सारे टेबल को आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं, सारे के सारे टपल को. So that is why we'll import this PID and we'll import this PID into this table. So इससे क्या हो जाएगा, we'll be able to relate between multiple tables. So दो टेबल के बीच में अब there is a relationship which has been established. So book का publisher के साथ अब relationship बन चुका है. Is it clear? So let's say अगर मेरे पास ISBN number होता, let's say 101 is my ISBN number. Title is बेसिक्स ऑफ DBMS, ऐसा करके सब्जेक्ट है बुक का नाम, बेसिक ऑफ DBMS. ओके, एंड द प्राइस इज लेट्स से 360 रुपीस. ओके, पेजेस इज लाइक 200 पेजेस. ओके, यहाँ पे पब्लिकेशन हाउस 1 2. ओके, पब्लिकेशन का नाम टेकमैक्स है. ओके, एंड वी हैव टाटा मैग्रा-हिल TMH, टाटा मैग्रा-हिल, या TMH. एड्रेस इज माटुंगा, and we can have Delhi over here. So these are the addresses that we have. Okay, so what I will do, let's say basic of DBMS is being printed by TechMax. Okay, so TechMax का ID क्या है? What is the ID of TechMax? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 1. So I'll be putting 1 over here. Let's say 102. अब 102 पे आते हो, एक और बुक है 102. Okay, it is the Java. Okay. So Java ka the price is let's say 320 rupees. Okay, the pages is 240 pages. Okay, it is been again printed by TechMax only. So what will be the PID over here? Printed by TechMax only. So TechMax PID is 1. So I'll be having 1 over here. Then I'll be having ISBN number as 103. Let's assume. Okay, for that we have PCPF. Okay, so PCPF का I think TechMax अभी तक आया नहीं है. So yeah, so introduction to PCPF book का नाम है. Okay, so price is considered as let's say 400 rupees. Okay, and pages is somewhere around 350 pages that we have. Okay, so TechMax available नहीं है, टाटा मैग्रा-हिल का book है जिसका नाम है PCPF introduction. So what would be the PID that I will be having over here? 2. Okay. So over here we'll be having this key which is PID that will be called as a foreign key. Why it is foreign key? Because it is a primary key of some other table and this key will make sure कि आप दो टेबल को रिलेट कर पाओ. ओके, सो इससे क्या मिल पा रहा है, क्या एडवांटेज मिल पा रहा है? व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज दैट आई कैन गेट? यहाँ पे 2 लिखा है कि जो बुक है ISBN है PCPF दैट इज प्रिंटेड बाय PID 2. सो PID 2 का जो डिटेल है इस टेबल में आप जाओगे 2 मतलब आपको पता चलेगा पब्लिशर कौन है, व्हिच इज टाटा मैग्रा-हिल, और उसका एड्रेस क्या है, दिल्ली. सो यू आर एबल टू रिलेट बिटवीन द 2 टेबल्स. सो दैट इज द एडवांटेज दैट यू गेट आउट ऑफ द फॉरेन की. इज इट क्लियर? इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सो अगर आप गौर फरमाओगे फॉरेन की और प्राइमरी की में डिफरेंस अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, so this ISBN in this table is considered as a primary key and PID in this table is considered as a foreign key. बराबर ना? ये तो क्लियर हो गया ना आपको? Is this point clear?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah. So this PID over here, the PID over here, it is a primary key for that table. But this PID that we are talking about, it is foreign key for this table. Okay? So it is just like कोई बाहर से बंदा अपने देश में आए, then that person will be considered as a foreigner. So similar to that, if PID comes into our table, in that case PID will be considered as a foreign table. So अगर आप ISBN और PID में अगर आप डिफरेंशिएट कर पाओ, यानी प्राइमरी की और फॉरेन की के बीच में अगर डिफरेंशिएट कर पाओ, so क्या दिख रहा है आपको डिफरेंस? इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस दैट यू कैन सी? PID एंड ISBN के बीच में कुछ डिफरेंस दिख रहा है आपको? Is there any difference? मोटे-मोटे तौर पे in ISBN we have 101, we have 102, we have 103. In PID we have 1, then 2. So what is the difference?
Duplicate.
Exactly. So that is a point over there. A foreign key can have a duplicate entries in it, whereas primary key must not have a duplicate key in it. Okay. उसके अलावा ISBN के अंदर यानी प्राइमरी की के अंदर जनरली आपके पास कोई भी नल वैल्यूज नहीं होगी, बट देयर माइट बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि कोई बुक जो है उसका कोई पब्लिशर नहीं है, इट इज येट टू बी पब्लिश्ड, सो इन दैट केस PID विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज अ नल आल्सो. So foreign key can be a null as well. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So अगर लेट्स से मैं एक और टेबल बना देता हूँ जिसका नाम है रिव्यूअर. ओके, बुक का रिव्यू करते हैं ना रिव्यूअर. सो रिव्यूअर करने के लिए देयर विल बी अ रिव्यूअर आईडी, जिसका कोई आईडी होगा और रिव्यूअर का नेम होगा. ओके, एक और मैं टेबल बना देता हूँ विच इज रिव्यूअर आईडी एंड रिव्यूअर नेम. सो मैं क्या करूंगा, इनके बीच में एक और वो कर दूंगा, या एक और टेबल बनाता हूँ विच इज रेटिंग, कि वो कितना रेटिंग आपने दिया उस बुक को. ओके, सो 3 एंट्री मैंने डाली, 3 एट्रीब्यूट मैंने डाला, एक रिव्यूअर आईडी, एक रिव्यूअर नेम और एक रेटिंग, और इसको भी मैंने बुक के साथ रिलेट किया है. सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, मैं एक और यहाँ पे एक फॉरेन की ले लूंगा इस टेबल के अंदर जिसका नाम होगा रिव्यूअर आईडी, बिकॉज रिव्यूअर आईडी इज यूनिक इन इट, राइट, इज द प्राइमरी की इन दैट टेबल. इज इट क्लियर? सो इससे क्या होगा, लेट्स से मेरा जो डीवीएमएस का बुक था. ओके, सो देयर आर 2 रिव्यूअर्स, one is Ram and other is, let's say, Abdul. Okay, so I've got 2 reviewer by the name of Ram and Abdul. So अब रेटिंग उन्होंने जो भी दिया है, यहाँ पे मुझे बुक का भी डालना पड़े. ठीक है, फिलहाल राम ने कुछ 5 रेटिंग, या उस रिव्यूअर का रेटिंग इज 5, कि राम जनरली रिव्यूज द बुक बेस्ट आउट ऑफ ऑल द रिव्यूअर्स, एंड अब्दुल हैज अ रिव्यूअर ऑफ 4 रेटिंग. ओके, सो इनका रिव्यू, जो इस रिव्यूअर का जो रिव्यू है दैट इज 5 and 4. सो अगर लेट्स से या इट इज रिव्यूड बाय 101 is reviewed by 5, that means sorry, is reviewed by 1, that means it is been reviewed by Ram. और अगर यहाँ पे रिव्यू आईडी अगर मैंने 2 डाला तो इट हैज दैट जावा इज रिव्यूड बाय अब्दुल, एंड 103 में अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 3 डाला दैट मींस it has been reviewed by Abdul again. Sorry, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 2 डाला, it has been reviewed by Abdul again. Okay, so what is the meaning of it? What I just want to show is कि a book table can hold multiple foreign key. उसके पास 2 foreign key है, इसको PID भी है और reviewer ID भी है. There is a possibility that a table can have multiple foreign key because it can have a relation with multiple tables, right? Whereas what will be the number of primary key it will have? Primary key कितना होगा?
1.
1, exactly 1. Okay, so that is the few differences that we have seen right now. We'll just put down in words. Okay, so first write down what is a foreign key. Just write down the definition of foreign key. What is a foreign key exactly? So foreign key is the primary key. Foreign key is the primary key of the same relation or other relation, of the same table or other table. Tell me. Other. So foreign key is the primary key of other relation slash table. You can call it as a table or relation. Foreign key is the primary key of other relation. Primary key is the foreign key is the primary key of other relation, comma, which is used to establish, to establish the relationship, between the two relation, slash table. You can also call it as a table. So दो table के बीच में अगर relationship define करना है, that relationship generally is defined with the help of foreign key. And what is foreign key? It is a primary key of other table. Is the point clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Write down the next point. Foreign key can it have a duplicate value or no duplicate values?
Duplicate.
It can have duplicate values. It can have duplicate values, right? So write down foreign key can have duplicate values. Foreign key can have duplicate value. Okay. What about null values? Can there be a situation where foreign key can have null values in it?
Yes.
Yeah. So write down that one. Foreign key can also have null values in it. Foreign key can also have null values in it. Okay. Then a number of foreign key, जैसे primary key है, it has to be one and only one. So is there any such condition for foreign key that there
No.
should be only one foreign key? No. So write down the next point. A relation can have more than one foreign key. A relation can have more than one foreign key. A relation can have more than one foreign key. Is the point clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So write down the next point. The keys are over. Just write down a table or draw a table, and just write down the difference between foreign key and primary key. Okay, or make a question key differentiate between primary key and foreign key. Okay, very important question. So write down the few points जो हमने आज discuss किया है between primary key and foreign key. So what is a primary key?
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, foreign key is primary key from other relation, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So, sir, primary key cannot hold null value, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
तो सर फॉरेन की कैसा होगा मतलब
हाँ, तो आपका
Foreign
ये
key
सवाल है कि फॉरेन की के अंदर नल वैल्यूज कैसे अलाउ होगा, यही पूछ रहे हो ना?
हाँ
हाँ. So अगर लेट्स से यहाँ पे मैं एक और बुक लेता हूँ which is ISBN number 104. Okay. Title of the book is let's assume और कौन सा बच गया, PCOM. Okay, Principle of Communication करके सब्जेक्ट है. उसका प्राइस इज लेट्स से 350 रुपीज. Okay. उसका पेजेस इज समवेयर अराउंड 400 पेजेस. Okay. But the problem is कि वो अभी तक बुक पब्लिश नहीं हुई. That book is not been published yet. There is a book available, but it has not been published by any publishing house. Okay. So अगर वो पब्लिश ही नहीं हुए तो मैं PID जबरदस्ती तो डाल नहीं सकता ना. I cannot write down one or two over here. बराबर? If it is not been published by any publishing house, so how can I write that PID over there? So in that case, I have to leave this part. I have to leave blank this part. बराबर? और similarly वो book अगर publish नहीं हुई तो how it can be reviewed, right? So it cannot be reviewed. So both entities can be blank over there. बराबर? So in that case, the foreign key जो है आपका that has to be null values. अगर आपको याद होगा जब हम ER डायग्राम बना रहे थे, so अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन होता कि बुक जो है और दूसरा कौन सा है, पब्लिशर. There is a book, there is a publisher. So book is published by the publisher. तो अगर पब्लिशर यहाँ पे होता और अगर दोनों के बीच में there would have been a complete dependency. Complete dependency का मतलब क्या होता है? Every book का एक पब्लिशर होगा और पब्लिशर का जो है वो एक बुक होगा. अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन होता, in that case null value नहीं होती. In that case, if it was a total participation. But इस सिचुएशन में जरूरी नहीं है टोटल पार्टिसिपेशन हो. हमारे हिसाब से हो सकता है कोई बुक है अवेलेबल है बट इट इज नॉट रिटन डाउन और प्रिंटेड बाय पब्लिशर. हो सकता है दैट इज अ हैंड रिटन नोट. देयर माइट बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी, राइट? लिंडा मैम ने आपको पीकॉम का एक बुक प्रोवाइड किया है जो कि हैंड रिटन नोट है व्हिच इज नॉट बीन पब्लिश्ड बाय एनी पब्लिशर. सो वी कैन नॉट जबरदस्ती हम पीआईडी नहीं डाल सकते उसके अंदर. इट माइट क्रिएट एन एरर, राइट? सो टेकमैक्स का नाम डाल दिया तो टेकमैक्स को फायदा तो पहुंच जाएगा, लेकिन it is not been published, so why to give credit to some other publisher? So in that case we have to remain the PID as blank, so it will be null value in my book table. But what about over here? यहाँ पे आपको डालना पड़ेगा null value. यहाँ पे तो PID है ही नहीं ना. So इस केस में in publisher that PID is a primary key and that PID will hold all the values, whereas in this case because उसका कोई पब्लिशर नहीं है तो वहां पे आपको कोई डेटा नहीं डालना है, तो इस केस में वहां पे वो नल हो जाएगा. इज द पॉइंट क्लियर?
yes sir.
Yeah. So what is the difference between primary key and foreign key? What is the first difference that you can think of? In primary key,
Cannot have duplicate value, but
yeah. So first thing that you generally write is basically the definition that you can write. So you can write down the definition. So what is the definition of a primary key? प्राइमरी की जो है आपका दैट हेल्प्स इन यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई ईच टपल्स. ओके, सो हर एक टपल को अगर आपको यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई करना है दैट इज डन बाय फॉरेन की और सॉरी प्राइमरी की. व्हेयरएज फॉरेन की इज इसका डेफिनेशन क्या है? इट इज अ प्राइमरी की of other relation. It is a primary key of other relation which is incorporated into a relation in order to define a relationship between the table. So वो एक relation के अंदर डाला गया है ताकि दो table के बीच में relationship establish की जा सके. Okay, so you can write down the definition over there. Okay, I don't need to repeat the definition again. So the first point is that you can write down the definition. The second point is primary key is only one. Okay, so primary key is one and only one. So that point over here you can write down. So one and only one. What about foreign key? Can it be more than one?
Yes.
Can foreign key more than one? Yeah, so it can be more than one. More than one. Yeah. The next is duplication allowed in primary key? Duplication allowed or not allowed?
Not allowed.
So duplication is not allowed. So a tuple cannot have a duplicate value. So duplication not allowed. Whereas in foreign key, is it allowed? Can we have a duplication allowed?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So duplication is allowed in foreign key. What about the null values? There in primary key? Null values is there in primary key?
No.
No.
So no
No.
null values. What about in foreign key? Can we have null values in it?
Yes.
So null values are allowed. Okay. Yeah. So in primary key, we cannot. It is generally yeah. There is an option of selecting. There is option of selecting primary key. So you have got multiple option of selecting. Whereas in this you don't have any option of selecting. So जो भी primary key होगा, that directly has to be taken as a foreign key. So प्राइमरी की के पास ऑप्शन है आपको किसको प्राइमरी की बनाना है. फॉरेन की टाइम पे यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. व्हाटएवर इज द प्राइमरी की यू हैव टू टेक इट एज अ फॉरेन की. इज दैट पॉइंट क्लियर? So there is an option of selecting. I don't have a space over here, so I'll just dictate. There is an option of selecting primary key, whereas there is no option of selecting the foreign key. Is the point clear? The meaning is अगर कैंडिडेट की है मेरे पास, so अगर मेरे पास 1 करके एक कैंडिडेट की है, there is 1,2 that I have, या 2,3 अगर मेरे पास है, so in that case I have an option of selecting either this as a primary key or this as a primary key. Okay. Whereas in the case of foreign key, so whatever is the primary key of the other relation, that I have to take as it is. I don't have any option of selecting it. Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that you can write down as a fifth point. Yeah. उसके अलावा देख लो अगर कोई नेट पे कोई पॉइंट मिला. मोस्टली दीज आर द 5 पॉइंट दैट वी हैव, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइमरी की एंड फॉरेन की. और कोई मिलेगा तो इसके आसपास ही कुछ होगा. मोस्टली इतना काफी है. ओके. सो इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइमरी की और द ऑल द कीज आर क्लियर टू यू? डू यू फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कीज? Is this topic clear? What is foreign key? What is candidate key? Primary key, super key, alternate key, composite key? Is all these keys clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'll just 1 second. I'll just open किया कितना syllabus हो गया है हमारा और अगला टॉपिक क्या डिस्कस करना है. Just I will go through it. इसको खत्म करिए. Yeah. So in this the third module we have discussed the relation model. Constraint बचा है, will take it later. Then we have relational database schema. Concept of keys हमने discuss कर दिया है. Primary key, secondary key and foreign key हमने discuss कर लिया है. We'll be discussing this topic, which is mapping the ER and double ER to the relational model. Okay, so just write down the new topic. आज ही करना है कि अगले क्लास में करें?
अगले क्लास में.
Okay, so I think last time मैंने गलती से आपका 20 मिनट ज्यादा ले लिया था. I'm sorry for that. मुझे पता नहीं चला टाइम का क्या है और किसी ने मतलब बीच में किसी ने बोलने की कोशिश की थी, but I think वो बात रह गई. So yeah, I have taken the lecture till 3:20, which was supposed to be taken till 3 o'clock. So उसका आज मैं compensation पूरा कर देता हूँ. I'll be leaving you guys right now. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.